Welcome. Now, if you want to draw an arrow in AutoCAD, you can use multi-leader. So you go to Home, Annotation, select multi-leader. If you want horizontal, just ensure auto is on. And now here, the multi-leader is asking you to enter some details. We're going to show shortly how to enter them. Now, this is a horizontal arrow. Now, if you want an inclined arrow, auto should be off. Now select the landing location, so just like that, and then so let's close by pressing escape. If the arrow is short, such that it's tiny, such that you cannot see it, you come to multi-leader annotation, and here select on multi-leader style, modify. Now if the arrow is the size is small, so you can increase the size. Just like that. Now you can even change the color of our multi-leader or the arrow now. Now if you don't want to enter anything, you just need the arrow, you choose here none. If you click on block, these are the blocks that you've created that we're going to use at the as the content of the multi-leader. But if you don't need anything, click on none, and then our landing distance is 8. That's the distance from the arrow. Now once you're done, you press OK, then say set current, then close. So our multi-leader changes the color. But now if you need an inclined arrow and you don't need this part, simply select it. There are two ways of doing that. The first one is select it and explode. So once you explode, click on this one and delete. So you have a straight arrow. Another way of doing this, so we have this, select here on horizontal landing. So on horizontal landing, say no. So when you say no, this part disappears. So that's how you use and draw an arrow